Good morning. Today we'll solve a problem on contract costing. In the previous problem that we have solved, we have seen it is the same contract, but the profit has been transferred from year to year. But in this case, it is the same contract company, but this company has been engaged in two different contracts, that is contract A and contract B. So we need to prepare contract account for both the contracts separately. So first we need to prepare contract A and then we will move on to contract B. Now let's look into the question what they are given. So Construction Limited is engaged in two contracts A and B during the year. The following particulars are obtained for the year ended 31st March 2016. So these are the particulars and these are the details of the contract A and B. So the date of commencement of contract A 1st April 2015 and B is 1st September 2015. Now you need to take this date into consideration only when they have given the depreciation, or if in case they are given the salary of foreman or architect who has joined in between the contract, or otherwise this date has to be ignored. Now then they are given the contract price 6 lakhs and 5 lakhs. This will not appear in the contract account. So materials issued will appear on the debit side of contract account. Materials returned will appear on the credit side on the contract account. On materials on site 31st March 2016. Now this is nothing but the closing balance. So the closing balance will always appear on the credit side. Now next we have direct labor. Direct labor will appear on the debit side. Direct expenses also will appear on the debit side. Establishment expenses will appear on the debit side, and this is the plant installed. Also note you have two values. One is the value of plant installed, value of plant on 31st March 16. So this is considered as closing balance. So closing balance will appear on the credit side, and this we are going to take it as an opening balance, and opening balance will appear on the debit side. Then we have the value of contract not certified and contract certified. This is nothing but the value of work certified and uncertified. So both these values will appear on the credit side. So you need to add this both the values in order to get the work in progress account. Next we have cash receipt. Cash receipt will not appear in the contract account. And then we have architect fees. Architect fees will appear on the debit side of the contract account. Next, they are telling during the year, material amounting rupees 9,000 have been transferred from contract A to contract B. So, which means 9,000 from the contract A, it has been transferred to contract B. So, in contract A's account, it will appear on the credit side because we are transferring. But in contract B account, it will appear on the debit side. Why? Because from contract A, I am receiving this amount of 9,000 to contract B. So now let's look into the problem. So this is the pro forma of a contract account. So in the books of Construction Limited, the name of the company, contract A account for the year ending 31st March 2016. So first we will prepare for contract A and then we will move on to contract B. So for contract A, first we have material. So we will look into the question. So in the question they are telling, as I told earlier, contract price will not appear. Materials issued is 1,60,000. That is what I have taken here as 1,60,000. And then we have materials returned 4,000. So materials returned is 4,000. And then we have materials on site 22,000. The closing balance. So I have taken here as 22,000. Direct labor is 1,50,000. So direct labor I have taken as 1,50,000. And direct expenses is 66,000. Direct expenses is 66,000. Establishment expenses 25,000 I have taken here. And plant installed 80,000. Opening balance I have taken here. And then we have value of plant on 31st March 16. This is nothing but the closing balance of 65,000. So that is what I have taken here. And then we have contract not certified and contract certified. So we need to add these two, that is 23,000 and 4,22,000. That is what I have taken here. The value of work certified is 4,20,000 and value of work uncertified is 23,000. If you add both these values, we'll get 4,40,000. 4,43,000. And after the value of work certified and uncertified, we have cash received. Cash received, as I told earlier, it will not appear in the contract account. And then we have architect fees. That architect fees 2,000 is what I have taken here. And then this is the materials transferred of 9,000. So in contract A's account, this material transferred will appear on the debit side, which is 9,000. So if you add, credit side total is more, so 5,43,000, and I have taken 5,43,000. The balance amount of 60,000 is nothing but the notional profit, which has to be carried forward. So I have brought down the 60,000, and this 60,000 has to be divided between two accounts, which is P&L account and work in progress account. So 60,000 has to be divided by P&L account. Now how will we do that? In order to do that, there is a formula. So this is how it is calculated. See, work certified divided by the contract price. Now what is the work certified of contract A? So we have work certified, which is contract certified, as 4,20,000. That 4,20,000 is what I have taken here, and divided by the contract price. So the contract price is 6 lakhs. So 4,20,000 divided by 6 lakhs will give you 0.7% or 70%. So in order to do this, there are two formulas. If the work certified is between 25% to 50%, this is the formula. But we have got 70%, which is between 50 to 90. So we need to take this formula into consideration, which is notional profit into cash received divided by work certified into 2/3. Now I have taken that formula itself into consideration. So notional profit is 60,000. That is what I have got here. So notional profit is 60,000, and then we have cash received. Look into the problem. What is the value of cash received? See, for cash received, for A it is 3,78,000. So 3,78,000, and the value of work certified is 4,20,000 into 2/3. If you solve this, we will get 36,000, and that 36,000 is what I have taken here. So 60 minus 36 will give you for 24,000, and that 24,000 is considered to be work in progress account. So by this we are closing contract A. Now next we will move on to contract B. See, contract B account for the year ending 31st March 2016. So for contract B, we will look into the question. So for contract B, materials issued is 60,000, and then we have materials returned is 2,000. Materials returned, I have taken it as credit side as 2,000. Materials on site, this is the closing balance which will appear on the credit side. That is what I have taken here as 8,000. And direct label, it will appear on the debit side. So 42,000, that is what I have taken here. And then we have direct expenses. So direct expenses is 35,000. I have taken here. Establishment expenses 7,000. I have taken here. The value of plant installed is 70,000. That is what I have taken here. And then we have the amount that has been transferred to contract A account. I have already told contract A, it will appear on the credit side, and in contract B it will appear on the debit side. So value that has been transferred is 9,000. So that 9,000 is what I have taken here. And then finally we have the architect fees, which is 1,000, and we have architect fees is 1,000. In previous account, which is contract account, we got the notional profit. But for contract B, we have debit side total more, which means the expenses are more than the income. So debit side will also come up to 2,24,000, and the credit side total will be take it as 2,24,000. If you balance, you will get 5,000 rupees. This 5,000 rupees is loss. Also keep in mind, you need to divide between notional profit and work in progress. Only there is profit. If there is loss, you cannot transfer it to P&L account and the work in progress account. If it is loss, just in bracket write it as loss. If you balance this, you will get it as 5,000. And that's it. You are going to close this contract B account because there is loss.